In this video, I am going to explain how will you find the molarity of any solution. Actually, in chemistry, molarity normality gives you a lot of confusion. So in this video, I am going to concentrate on the topic of the molarity. The main formula for the molarity is number of moles of the solute over volume of solution in liters. One thing here I want to lay stress that in case of solute you have to find the number of moles, and in case of solution you have to take the volume but in terms of liter. Now we know the formula for number of moles is equals to weight in gram of the solute over molecular weight of the solute. Clear? Now whenever volume the solution, it is either given in centimeter cube, either given in milliliter. We just multiply with that factor with 10 to the power minus 3 in order to convert it into liters. These are the basic key factors you must remember before solving and understanding the concept of the molarity. Okay, now just see the question. 4 grams of sodium hydroxide are dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of water. That means NaOH gets dissolved in water. Now here NaOH is our solute and NaOH plus water, it becomes our solution. Clear? Now the value of the solute is 4 grams and volume of the solution is given 200 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the data which we collected from the question. Now I am going to solve the solution for these types of question. How will we find the molarity for the question? Now see on the blackboard. In the molarity, the first step is to find the number of moles. Okay, for that we have to find the molecular weight of the solute. Molecular weight of the solute. Now here our solute is NaOH, so we have to find its molecular weight. So we had 23 plus 16 plus 1. Molecular mass of sodium is 23, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. When we add up all these we get 40 grams. Okay, this is the molecular weight. Now when we have to find the number of moles, we just divide both of them. So weight in gram is 4 and molecular weight is 40. So ultimately we get 1 by 10 moles. Clear? Now we have to find the molarity. Now as I told you earlier, the formula for the molarity is number of moles over volume of the solution in liters. Clear? Now it is given us 200 centimeter cube. So substitute all the values. We get, in place of number of moles we write 1 by 10 and volumes 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. So ultimately it becomes 1 over 2000 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we get 2 to the power 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. It get cancelled. So we get 1 by 2, which is equals to 0.5. Molarity means M. Okay. Now one thing more I want to tell you. The unit of the molarity is mole per liter. And the value of the molarity changes with the change in the temperature. Okay. Now the next topic which I am going to explain you is how you will have to find the normality. In case of normality, we have the formula equivalent weight of solute over volume of solvent in liters. So there is a little bit difference between normality and molarity. In case of normality, we have take the equivalent weight of solute. And how will you find the equivalent weight? I will make a separate video, and in this video I am also giving you a just a simple concept. For example, if NaOH, then here one OH ion is released, so we divide it by molecular weight with 1 and we get the equivalent weight. For example, if we case of H2SO4, here 2 hydronium ions are released. So here, in order to find the equivalent weight, we divide molecular weight with the help of 2. And this is the basicity and this is the acidity. Okay. So when we divide molecular weight with the basicity, we get the equivalent weight for basics, and when we divide the molecular weight with the acidity, we get equivalent weight for acids. So this is the basic funda by which we can find out the equivalent weight for different things. Okay. Now just come to the question. Our question says that we have to find the normality if 6 grams of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 250 centimeter cube of water. Here our solute is sulfuric acid and it is dissolved, our solvent is water and it is dissolved in water. Now the weight in gram of sulfuric acid is 6 gram and the volume of the water which is taken as 250 centimeter cube. We must be careful that volume of the solvent must be taken in liters. So just convert it into liters. We have 250 into 10 to the power minus 3 liters. Clear? Now next thing, we have to find the equivalent weight of the solute. In order to find the equivalent weight of solute, we firstly find out the molecular weight. In case of molarity, we also find the molecular weight, and in case of normality, we also have to find the molecular weight. Now molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Clear? This is 2. Sulfur, that is 32. This is 16. 4s are 64. Okay. Atomic mass of hydrogen 1. 1 2s are 2. Sulfur 32. And oxygen is 16. So 16. 4s are 64. After adding all these, we get 98. Clear? Now equivalent weight of sulfuric acid. So it becomes 98 by 2, because in hydrogen we have 2 basicity, so we get 49. Clear? Now we are going to substitute in the values here and we have to find the normality. So 49 is kept over here and 250 into 10 to the power minus 3. Sorry, for the equivalent weight we have taken here weight in gram. Weight in gram is 6 gram. Okay, and here we write 49. Clear? Because equivalent weight, the formula is what? I just want to write it again. Real formula in order to find the normality is weight in gram of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute into volume of solvent. Volume of solvent, which is in liter. Clear? Now put all the values in the formula. What we get? Normality is equals to 6 gram over equivalent weight 49 and volume in liters 250 into 10 to the power minus 3. Clear? Now we have to solve it. When you solve it, you will get, you just multiply both of the two quantities. If we take minus 3, okay, now we can round it to 6 over minus 3, or we can take it over here, it becomes 6000 49 into 250, it's get cut down. 5 ones are 5, 1, 6, 5 twos are 10, 0, 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10 and 24. Now 24 by 49. So it is approximately 2 times 1 by 2. 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4. So our normality becomes 0.5 or n by 2. Okay, its unit is gram equivalent weight per liter. So in this way you can find the normality and the molarity. In next topics I will take in some other videos, and I have also prepared the videos for how to find the number of moles, etc. I will give the links of that videos in the description box. If you want to study them, you can go to the link. Thank you.